Zoho CRM provides powerful contact export capabilities, allowing you to download your contact data in CSV or XLS formats for reporting, backup, or integration with other systems. Recent updates in 2024 have streamlined the export process with an improved user interface and faster processing times. The Contacts module displays your contact list with filtering options on the left side. The export process follows 6 simple steps. First, navigate to the Contacts module. Then select your desired records. You can choose individual contacts, use filtered views, or select all contacts. Next, click the Export button from the Action menu. Choose your preferred file format, configure field mapping to include the data you need, and initiate the download process. You can export contacts in 2 main formats. CSV format offers universal compatibility and is best for large datasets with lightweight files that work across all platforms. XLS format maintains formatting and provides Excel compatibility for immediate viewing and editing, making it ideal when you need to work with the data right away. Export limits depend on your plan level. Enterprise plans support up to 200,000 records per export operation, while lower-tier plans have smaller limits to ensure optimal performance. For large exports, Zoho CRM provides real-time progress indicators so you can track the export status. You'll see a progress bar showing the completion percentage. For enhanced security, Zoho CRM implements audit trails for all export activities, helping maintain data compliance and tracking who exports what data and when. You'll also receive email notifications when large exports are completed, ensuring you know exactly when your data is ready for download without having to constantly check the system. The Export Data section provides a complete history of your exports, showing the module, export time, record count, and status. This makes it easy to track and manage all your data exports from one central location. Zoho CRM offers 4 main export options for your contact data. Each method serves different business needs and technical requirements. When choosing your export format, CSV is ideal for large data sets and maintaining data integrity across platforms, while XLS preserves formatting and is better for immediate viewing and editing. Before exporting, ensure you have the necessary export permissions enabled at your profile level. Only fields you have access to will be included in the export. Follow these best practices for secure and compliant contact exports. Back up your database monthly, maintain consistent field mapping, validate exported data, and ensure GDPR compliance when handling personal information. Export times vary based on data volume. Small exports under 1,000 records take 30 to 60 seconds, while large exports over 10,000 records may take 5 to 15 minutes depending on field complexity.